One of the best ways to grow on Fiverr and to get more reviews, and of course also to get more sales, is to use your existing customer base. So what exactly can you do in order to get your customer base to purchase from you again? Now, when you deliver your order, what you can do is you can, for instance, invite your customers into a Facebook group. Just tell them, all right, there's this Facebook group that I'm offering. If you like, you can join my Facebook group completely for free. This is what you could do. Now, of course, this might change over time. Maybe Fiverr will not allow this anymore in the future, so make sure that when you use the strategy that you just send the Fiverr support team a short message, ask them whether you're allowed to do that, and then they will tell you whether you are or whether you're not. Then afterwards, what you want to do is, of course, you want to send out messages to your existing customers on a regular basis. So go back into the chats, go back into the orders, and just simply send them a message like, hey, how are you doing? Can I help you in any way? Are you happy with your order? And if, for instance, you just send them this very simple question, they will respond. They will say, yes, everything was perfect, thank you so much, or no, there's something that I need fixed. And perhaps even you give them something for free, or you give them like some kind of guide, or maybe you give them a special offer. And what you then want to do at a certain point, when they answered your messages and when you realize, all right, they were happy with the work that you've done, you just want to say, hey, and if you need anything, I'll be here for you. By the way, do you need anything else? Like, do you need a logo? Do you need a ghostwriting service? Do you need another website? I can give you a 50% discount until, let's say, the end of the week. And they will then start thinking. They will say, maybe there is something that I need to get done. And hopefully they're going to purchase from you in that instance. So you probably should, first of all, think about the customers that are already, your customer base for a long time. Send them a message first. And then, of course, send your messages out to people that just purchased from you. The same thing you can do in your Facebook group. So if you invited people into your Facebook group and they joined that Facebook group, then of course you can give special offers in that Facebook group. So you can say, I'm offering, let's say, a 50% discount or 20% discount on everything that I'm working on or everything that I'm offering on my Fiverr gig page just for today. So if you want to book that, do that right now. So that would be my advice for getting more reviews and of course also to generate more sales on Fiverr.